Hello guys! Ngayon gagawa tayo ng cassava cake. Meron ako dito 500 grams na cassava. Hindi siya piliga. And then lalagyan natin ng half a cup na brown sugar. Haluin lang natin. And then, half a cup na evaporated milk. Make sure na haluin mabuti bawat lagay ng isang cup. Pagkatapos, kalahating cup ng coconut milk. Bahala kayo kung gusto nyo ng kakanggata or yung pangalawang piga. Then, haluin lang natin mabuti. Tapos, lagyan natin ng, after that, lagyan din natin ng melted butter. Haluin mabuti. Pagkatapos, lagyan din natin ng grated cheese. It doesn't matter kung gaano karami ilagay nyo. Depende sa kung gusto nyo. Gusto ko maraming cheese. Let's see. Dagdagan pa natin. Bala ko nga ubusin ko ito. Yan. Okay. I think this are frozen. Pagkatapos na mahalo natin ang bawat sangkap, lalagay na natin dito sa baking pan. And then, ilalagay natin siya sa preheated oven. 482 degrees or 250 degrees Celsius. Ilagay natin siya dito sa oven and set the timer for 30 minutes. Ngayon naman gagawa tayo ng topping. Half a cup of coconut milk. Tapos 1 tablespoon of flour. Harina. Haluin natin mabuti. And then, 1 egg yolk. Tapos, half a cup of condensed milk. Halu-haluing mabuti. Pagkatapos niya, lalagyan uli natin ng grated cheese. Ito yung ating topping. Depende again kung gaano karaming gusto yung cheese. I love cheese. Kaya, dadamihan natin. Yan. Puro cheese na lang kaya. Then, haluin uling mabuti. So, habang hinihintay natin pagka-bake ng cassava cake, ito, ginagawa na natin yung pang-toppings. Ayan po, 30 minutes is up. Lalagay na natin tong toppings. So, it doesn't matter kung gaano kakapal yung toppings nyo. I think, sa akin ang kapal. And then, wait for another, ilalagay natin to uli sa oven and wait for another 10 minutes or so. Here siya, into the oven for another 10 minutes or so until maging brown na yung ating nilagay na toppings. Alright guys, this is done. I'm so happy. Look at that. That's what we're looking for. And palamigin lang natin ng konti or maybe a few minutes para makat natin and ma-divide natin into squares. Sabi nila, mas masarap daw kinabukasan. Okay? I'll see you guys later. Ito na guys. Medyo lumamig na siya. Straight na straight, ha?
Drive along endless roads hand in hand, chasing sunsets guided by our plans, cooking dreams in our little space. Laughter fills every quiet place, from fishing trips to starry skies, our stories told